Welcome to Learner Home Abohar. Attention class 10 student, we are thrilled to bring you an exciting new quiz series designed to boost your preparation for class 10th board exams. Whether you are aiming to master quadratic equations or strengthen your overall math skills, this series has got you covered. In your mind is one question: why watch this series? This series covers important topic for CBSE and ICSE exam, build confidence with exam-oriented MCQs, detailed explanation for every solution, perfect for self-assessment and last-minute revision. Our this week topic is quadratic equations. Solve challenging questions, learn time-saving tricks, and enhance your problem-solving skills. Check out the latest quiz video now and be sure to explore more from our series. These videos are perfect for clearing concepts, building speeds, and achieving top marks. Do not miss out. Stay tuned for more engaging quiz and tutorial that will make exam preparation fun and effective. Let us know in the comment box how this series is helping you, and don't forget to share it with your classmates. Together, let's make class 10th math easier than ever. Okay.
Write your marks and doubts in comment box.
Share your score in the comments below and let me know which question you found the most challenging. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun math quizzes and lessons. See you next time on Learner Home.